Welcome to Berlin Felsi Oracle. Today I'm here to give you messages from your person. If there are things that you all have not spoken about, could be hidden messages that they want to come across with. They are not able to express it. Maybe throat chakra blocks are there within them. They can't express what they're actually feeling. Then I'm here to tell what they're actually feeling, to be of assistance. There are few cards that are falling out. I think these are all their fears. And the card which confirmed it is like, I think so, yes. I just said, I think these are all their fears, and the cards told me, I think so, yes. Whatever this is, today's reading is going to be about their limiting beliefs that they have towards you. Their limiting beliefs that are holding them back from coming forward and speaking their true feelings towards you, which is holding them back from coming back into your life, which is holding them back from expressing themselves. These are their fears. These are the things that they have within them that was created. Maybe there are too many cards falling. I'm going to stop shuffling. These are the things that they could have gone through in their past relationship. These are the things that they could have. They have seen other people's relationships, and they have seen that this is how people end up. And these are all those fears which are holding them back from actually loving you truly and fully. So the first card that fell off, I think so, yes, I'm going to keep aside, because the deck just spoke to me by saying, yes, the fears. I just spoke to you before I could remove the cards. There was a channel message, there was a thing that came up. The spirits wanted you to know. So the spirits want you to know, either you are operating from fears, or either they are, or both of you all right now, because I seen 211. So both of you all right now are operating from a place of fear. You'll need to let go of your fears, let go of the past. Don't think what happened in the past will repeat again. That is one more thing. Again, 222 I seen. The next card that I got was, do you think about me too? So this person thinks about you, wants to message you, wants to talk to you, wants to be in your life, but somewhere they feel like they are doing better off without them. They feel like you could have shown them in the past that you are better off without them, or you are very an independent person and you don't need another person to make you happy. And that is one of the reasons they don't think that you think about them. And that's their misconception. I told you, these are all their fears, these are all their misconception. You may be actually thinking about them, but because of their ego and fears, they cannot see the way you think about them. So this is the first card that I got. The next card that I got a couple of sevens, which I will take later. The next card that I got is, your family won't like me. Again, fears, misconception. There is something that might have happened in the past, and they feel like the family won't accept, because the version of them, they might have not shown a proper version of them in front of the family. And obviously not, you don't have to show the family, you need to show just like your partner, your side, your true side, and your partner needs to love and accept it. Nobody else, if they don't understand, it's fine. But somewhere, again, this is a misconception that they think the family won't like. Actually, the family genuinely likes them. And even like, these are all fears, I'm telling you. These are all illusion. These are all things which are created in your mind, which is not true. I told you in the beginning of the reading only, this is something which is not true. Either your family doesn't hate them, and even like their family doesn't hate you. So you don't have to be afraid about the family. The family is accepting. Even the number 3 is confirming your spirit guide. So even your spirit family is accepting you all. So you all don't have to be afraid. The next card that I got was 2 sevens, which I told you that they are afraid to talk to you. And do you even see me that way? They think that you don't see them in that same light that you used to see in the past. And if this is a twin flame reading, you will always think that whenever you end up having a fight with your partner, or end up having an argument with your partner, you think that it is the end. You all will end up breaking up or whatever, and you think it's the end, but it is never the end. And this is again a misconception. People think that they will the other person will find someone better, it's the end and we cannot get back. You all always, every fight will feel like the end, but it's not the end. And you need to see that don't get caught up in these illusions. You all are getting really caught up in whatever is happening around you all. Look through these illusions. Look for signs instead. Look for signs like two birds flying together, signs of union. An eagle, another sign of union. 2 trees. I don't know if you all have been following me on my page, but I put a video about a tree which is one tree and like they branch out and grow together as like two different, like one soul and two different bodies. So yeah, so like see for these signs instead of having these doubts. Even they are having these doubts, they think that you don't see them the same way that you used to, but I know it, you know it, you do see them the same way. The love doesn't die. The love that you'll have is divine, so it won't die. You are right. See, the back of the deck is you are right. That love that you all have is divine. So no one else is going to understand it, and it will not even disappear. It just doesn't disappear. When you find someone or when you find your twin flame, the love will stay within you forever, even if you're with someone else. Even if you have third party situations, oh my god, I said even if you're with someone else, and look at the cards that fell off. Yeah, even if you have third party situations, you still, at the back of your mind, you still love them and they still love you. That love doesn't just go. And look at them, again, misconception, again, fears that they feel like you have many choices and you have many options, so that's why they're not coming forth. These are all their fears. They're thinking, they want to reach out, they want to reach out, they want to talk to you, they want to speak to you, but if you, they are scared. It's coming out here that if I ask you to stay, would you leave? They are scared. These are all their fears. They feel like you're doing well without them. They are scared that even if they ask you to come or do something for them, you will say no. They are scared of rejection. They are scared of many things. These are all their fears. I just came and told you all their fears one by one. These are all their misconceptions. And if they have not reached out to you, or if they have not spoken to you, or if they have not been, you all have not been contacting or connecting like how you all used to connect in the past, that is because they have these fears within them. They need to let go of these fears to see that there are things that like there are things which would, like they are working in from a place of law of assumption, and they can just speak about it and talk to you about it and they'll get their answers. Instead of assuming, just go and ask it, and go and like don't sit and wait for them to show it to you. Another eagle is flying out there, so another confirmation that this message is for you. If you end up seeing an eagle, that's another confirmation that union will be around the corner. Don't let your fears delay your union. Your union is possible. Union is possible very soon also, but somewhere they feel like you make them do bad things, so they feel like when they come into your life, they end up behaving certain ways that they would never want to behave. But that's not on you, that's actually on them. They have actually not realized that you are, you're healing, they are healing. If like if you're in a twin flame relationship, if you're unhealed, you will affect your partner. If you're healed, there's nothing you can do which will affect your relationship. So instead of like I got, even I need more balance. So instead of, even if you're going to approach your partner, or if you're going to ask something, or if they are going to come and ask you for about something, try to look at things from a different perspective and not from a unhealed version of yourself. They are also thinking somewhere that maybe you all should see other people, or maybe they, again, see, these are all their fears. They are feeling like you are going to say we will, this is something they feel like you are going to come and say that I want to see other people, I don't want to see you. And these are, there are constant fears in their mind. They are constantly like they are waiting for you to make the move. They are not making any moves towards you, because if they make a move towards you, they feel like you will not reciprocate in the same way, and you might tell them that I want to see other people. See, these are both, now I don't know whose feelings I am reading right now, if I'm reading your feelings or your person's feeling, because both of y'all are mirroring these feelings. These, what feelings he's feeling or what feelings she's feeling, you're feeling at the same time. I don't know who's watching this, which gender this is. So whatever you're feeling, they are also feeling, they are mirroring your feelings. So they also feel like somewhere they don't want to come into this relationship because they feel like they'll get too invested. And if they get too invested, they'll forget about their work life, everything they'll forget about, and they will be very they'll not be focused. That's what they think. Again, a fear, again, a misconception, not the truth. The truth is that if you have love in your life, you will attract everything. When you unlock your heart chakra, even if you can see, I don't know if you all can see, I myself had a heart chakra block which created a sort of an allergy. When I started to work with it, when I started to like work with my past issues, past karmas, things, relationships, everything, when I started to work with it, the mark started to disappear. And somewhere I feel like we just need to go within, just need to find balance before we work from your healed version. Like, what would your healed version do? Even if you have not healed, start acting like you are healed. Eventually you'll feel that, eventually you'll feel good. I mean, like, I'm not saying fake being happy. Don't fake be happy. Instead, be vulnerable. If you are feeling sad, go and tell your friend that you're feeling sad. If you're feeling a certain feeling, feel those feelings and let it out, and then enjoy life, like, because life has a lot to offer. Also, I got this card, so they are thinking about you, even in, like, sexually they want to be intimate, but at the same time, rejection. They feel like either you will reject them or you will not want to be with them, and that's why right now they can't even look at you, because their fears are playing, their fears are taking over, their fears are making them see things for what are not actually true. They are going through their spiritual awakening, they are going through like things that are like certain illusions. They need to see past those illusions, they need to see past the fears. My previous reading also, I don't know if you have, if you all have been following me or not, but there was something regarding fears, that we let our fears take the seat in the car. They are driving the seat, they are in the driver's seat. Actually, we are the main characters, we should be driving it, not your fear. So let go of your fear. Whoever's watching this, please say bye to your fear. And if it is something that you're urging, you're getting an urge to go and talk to your partner, please do that. Keep your ego aside and put forth your like, go with open arms, go with see, now the cards are coming out different. Number 10, go with an like, go without expectations, go with an open mind, go as a healed version of you. Even if you don't feel that like you're healed completely, even if you have a little grudge against your partner, you can do the work alongside with your partner, but make sure that you're, every time that you're appearing in front of them or you're going towards them, go with from a place of love. Love conquers everything. Again, they want to start a fresh start with you. And look at the cards, I told you. First cards were the fears, now look at the cards. They want to start a fresh start with you, and they are absolutely in love with you. They are absolutely in love with you. They want to be with you. Once they see past this fear, I'm telling you, once they see past this fears, all the blessings and all the abundance. Now, right now, also I can see a tree which is growing this way, like how I mentioned in the past. So again, another signal that you all are coming to union once you have let go of the past. They also feel like they know you from somewhere else. That could be because they know you from past life. This is a past life relationship, it's a twin flame relationship. So that is why they are feeling this, and they don't feel this. I'm telling you here, I'm coming and telling you that they don't feel this way with any other partner except for you. You are somebody who fills their like, their soul is making them feel wholesome, which makes them feel energized, which doesn't, like, you make them feel like a different sort of high, not like the drunk high, not like another, like, you're giving the high which you should be when you are like you give them a sort of a, I can't explain, it's not coming, the right word is not coming, but you give them a rush of energy which helps them in their career, which helps them in their love life, which helps them, like, as in with you only, like, they automatically feel when you enter their life, they feel so much love around them, because they feel love towards you. And because of that, even around them, the people around them also can feel the love, even the things that they do feel the love, everything, their work people, their colleagues, the work that they do, you can see them do the work better. So I encourage you, whoever this is, whoever's watching this, keep your ego aside and go and operate from a place of love.